Hey guys, my name's Bailey.
Hey, I'm JD.
And we're from Comics Elite. We have a double unboxing for you guys today.
Yep, we got a little bit of Chris Hemsworth right here. Yeah.
Right, and some Thanos.
It's gonna be beautiful. I mean, did you like Infinity Wars when it came out?
Yes.
Oh, it was great. I could not believe what they did at the start of that. That was crazy.
I really don't want to put spoiler alerts for people that haven't seen it. So if you haven't seen it, please go watch it. But honestly, so good if you love Marvel.
Exactly. And we're gonna start with one of these, and then we'll move on to the next one. I know y'all are excited. We are going to start with Thanos first, because he's the big boy.
Okay, I'm honestly like sweating because this makes me... I like don't want to open it. Oh, I know where the little thing is, but like, you guys. Okay. What? Okay, this is number 182 of 1,000, so that's freaking awesome. There's only 1,000 of these.
Hey.
Oh. My bad. That's so cool. I love these things. Okay. Now, I don't know if this is going to work like on the table though.
No, it'll be fine.
You think we can do this on the table?
Well. There we go.
It definitely says that this is the bottom. Okay.
You got the knife over there.
Oh.
Don't hurt me.
You open it.
Oh my gosh.
I don't sharp thing very good, you guys.
Alright, we're gonna flip this down because I'm not doing what I saw somebody else do. I ain't saying no names. Ooh, that is beautiful.
Oh, look at this. You know how this...
Is that the gauntlet?
I feel like they could make these harder to put together.
Look at this gauntlet.
This feels like a small child.
Look at that detail. The gems, the infinity gems right there.
He is heavy.
I'll put that on my hand. Those.
He's heavy.
Oh, there's two different hands actually. Okay, so you got the one that snaps and the one that's regular.
Oh, you can choose which hand you want?
Yeah.
So you're either fighting or, you know, you're ending everything. It's fine.
We'll end it all. We'll use the snap.
Look at his face. The details on this guy's face. So cool. It really does look like it should. Now I would hope. Look how heavy this small child is.
This base weighs a ton.
So does he.
Right? Alright.
Like if this fell, it would definitely hurt.
You gotta put that on there. Actually, I think it goes this way. There we go.
Isn't that backwards then?
Maybe.
If he goes this way?
It is. Let's go. Woo. His foot's supposed to go right there. Like this.
There you go.
Alright, so this goes in the hole. There we go. That's how it's supposed to be. I saw his foot there. Alright. Hold it and turn it.
Who let us do this?
I know. Alright. So use the snap fingers. I think we're going to go with this just because this was the most pivotal moment.
Right.
I'll let you do the honor. Go ahead, go for it, girl. Go for it.
Puts hand on backwards. Yo. I don't know. Okay. It's in there.
The easiest statue to put together.
Really? There's a little bit of like paint or something on his finger.
Oh, that's just dirt. He'd be fighting. That's all that is. Look at the detail on his face, though. That is beautiful.
That's what I said. Pretty cool.
He knows what he's about to do. He's about to wreck everybody's existence.
Like I said, if you haven't seen it, go watch it.
Alright, so let's put
So that
this
we don't ruin what that is.
hand to the side. And now we got my favorite Avenger. Big old boy, Chris Hemsworth. Mr. Thor. Which one do we got? We got number 552 of 1,000 right there. All right. Gonna help me with this?
I will, but like, it makes me nervous.
Watch the Thanos.
That's what I'm saying. Oh, hold on. Maybe we'll move this guy out of the way a little bit. And he is upside down. This one is like significantly lighter than the other one. I'm not even gonna lie.
Is it?
Oh my god. Yeah.
Alright. Give me that knife.
Yeah, you can do the knife because I don't think they trust me with him.
Alright.
There you go. Careful.
There we go.
Breaks it. Literally shatters it. Are you sure? I think it's broke.
Is it?
I think you just broke it.
Nah, it's good.
If he broke it. It was him, not me.
There's all that.
Where's his head?
He lost his head. It's right here.
Why is his head not in there?
Yo, look at this axe. Look at that.
But for real, look at him without a head. This is fun. There you go. No head. And then with a head. So I figure it out. Oh, he just sits in there real nice.
Goes like that.
Even got them boots.
Look at this cape. I feel like more people should wear capes nowadays, just to be honest. It'd be fun. Look at that, look at that. Go on, take this off first.
Dang, he just snatched his head out.
There we go.
You didn't even need to take his head off.
I was just being careful. There we go.
If you know, you know. That's all I'm gonna say.
What is this one?
I don't know. Good question.
Right?
Good question, because, I'm just sure it was right there.
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Pause it. I think it broke.
Bro, when it opened, it was already. We got Thor.
Anyway,
Yeah.
moving on, pretending I didn't notice that. These are our two guys right here. Completely finished.
Very quickly. Very beautiful.
I mean, if you want an easy project and you like things like this is perfect.
I'll put that in my house.
Oh. Sorry. Sorry for all of the awkward silence, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching us like terribly open these. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your notifications so every time that we post a video, you guys can watch. Thank you.
Have a good one.